comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his...
Annyeonghaseyo 여러분! Eris Maceda. So for today, gagawa tayo ng makeup look on a classic red lips for Christmas. Alam niyo, pag naiisip ko yung Christmas, naiisip ko red lips for some reason. So, yun yung gagawin ko. This is a classic red lip look. Sobrang easy lang nito and wala siya masyadong ganap sa eyes. So, if hindi ka sanay sa eyes or ayaw mo mag-eyeshadow, this is the perfect eyeshadow. This is the perfect look for you. So, if you guys don't want to know how I did this look, please keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get started. So, of course, para tayo magsisimula, skincare first. So, mag-skincare lang ako saglit, pero mapakita ko sa inyo yung products na gagamitin ko. Of course, ubusin natin ang ating Garnier Micellar water and fresh Skinlab Jeju Aloe Eyes. Iba yung moisturizer natin for today. So, yeah. Ayan guys, tapos ko na yung skincare ko. Nag-headband lang din ako para masimulan natin yung look. So, let's start off with primer. Nakalimutan ko yung primer. Wait lang guys. So, of course, no Shine Mattifier tayo you guys. Kaya lang ba ako hindi nag-no Shine Mattifier. Super konti na nito. Ang dami ko pang kailangan. Naglalagay lang ako sa T-zone guys. Hindi na masyado sa ibang part. Sa T-zone lang. So, ayan na. Kapag prime na tayo, let's start off with the foundation. And for the first time you guys, gagamitin ko ito LOreal Infallible 24-hour Freshwear. And yeah, ang dami nag-rave sa foundation na to, but it's so pricey para sa akin kasi of course student ako and kaya hindi ko pa siya natatry, but I'm going to try it for the first time today. Yung shade ko pala is 140 Golden Beige. I-blend ko lang siya sa mukha ko. Medyo watery pala siya you guys, no? Binili ko to sa Lazada official store. Is isa-set ko lang yung under eyes ko. Tataka kayo, hindi ako nagko-concealer. That is because wala po akong concealer. Hindi mo po dumadating yung order ko for concealer. But I don't need anything naman na ma-cover. Okay na sa akin yung coverage na to. If you want to use concealer, go ahead. Walang pumipiga sa'yo, girl. But yeah, I'm not going to put on any concealer for today. I'm just going to set the foundation with the Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One powder foundation in the shade Nude Beige. Ito medyo maputi sa akin. Under eye ko, and then yung excess, idadust ko lang all over the face. Sinusat ko lang yung under eye kasi baka mag-crease. I'm not sure pa naman kung nag-crease to. But, the rest of the face. So, next is magkikilay lang ako off-cam. Then, babalik ako sa inyo. Let's start off with the eyes na. So, I'm gagamitin ko, of course, ang Play to Slay palette ng Careline. This has been my go-to palette for the year. Ever since I bought it. Ever since they released it. Pero, of course, magkakaroon pa tayo ng other makeup. Ano ba? Kakaroon pa tayo ng other reviews on their next lines. But, yeah. Dami ko ng hanash. Gamitin ko tong shade lang na to. And to. Papakita ko sa inyo paano. Super easy lang ito you guys. So, kuha lang kayo ng fluffy brush. Get nyo sa unang shade. Dito sa shade na to. Ayan. Last of the excess. And ilagay nyo lang siya sa crease. And hindi rin ako shadow primer. So, if you're going to use shadow primer ko, walang pumipiga sa'yo, girl. Nagawa ko lang is wind wiper motion. Ayan. Hindi ko na-concentrate yung kulay, particularly in one area. Tapos siniswipe ko lang siya sa buong lids. Next is, lalagyan ko na ng darker shade, which is this one. Lalagay ko na rin yan. And kuha tayo ng ibang brush para hindi sila masyadong maghalo. Ito na lang. And ilalagay ko lang din siya sa crease. That's it. That's basically it, you guys. ilagay mo lang din siya sa crease para lang mag-darken siya ng very, very, very light. Pero yun na yun, wala ka na ilalagay na iba. Kasi nga, we want this look na mag-center yung attention sa lips instead of the eyes. Napapansin nyo, if I do makeup looks, if smoky yung eye, nude yung lips. If medyo subtle yung eye, yung lips is bongga. Yan, that's it. That's it. Wala nang ibang nadagdag. So now that we're done with the eyes, now that we're done with half done with the eyes, let's go with the face na. And gagamitin ko pa yung plain slay palette. I don't bronze on a usual basis, but for today we are going to bronze just a little bit kasi wala akong bronzer, hindi pa dumadating yung bronzer ko, so I'm going to take this shade na lang. Itong medyo cool tone brown dito sa palette. I-mix ko lang silang dalawa and hope to God na okay to bilang bronzer, because these are actually okay siya, but it's kinda reddish, so ko natin yung konti sa kamay. Blend na lang natin siya. Gusto ko pa ma-blend out yung contour, so let's try a dome brush and i-blend natin ng very, very slight. Gusto ko sana ng bronzer ng konti, but I don't have any bronzer with me. So, let's go on with the blush. For the blush, I'm using itong darker as usual. Itong darker shade na to. And you guys, huwag kayong ngingiti pag nagbo-blush. Bakit? Pag nilagay niyo yung blush niyo at nakangiti kayo, babagsak siya. Tendency niya, bumagsak siya pag hindi na kayo nakangiti. So, next is mag-highlight tayo. Of course, same highlight from the palette. And, yeah, same highlight. Don't worry you guys, gagawa tayo ng medyo hindi na from this palette look in the future. Kasi, going to get, may makukuha kong bagong makeup sa Pasko. Hindi na pala nagsasalita habang nag-highlight. I'm sorry. But gusto ko siya dagdagan ng konti. Of course, yung intensity ng highlight nyo, pwede naman, it depends on your preference. You know guys, kasi ako gusto ko yung medyo pa-blinding na siya, lalo na sa gabi, kasi mas nakikita siya. So, next is, ano pa ba? Tapos natin yung eyes. So, yung sa lower lashes, I'm going to just take a pencil brush and i-run ko lang yung shade, na second shade, which is the darker one, sa lower lash line ko. And pag pinick up ko yung product, pag ganito siya, imbis na parang lay flat. Minsan ako sa lay flat, ako pa pointed, lalo na pag pencil brush. Kasi, ayoko nagsismear masyado yung lower lash line kasi hindi bagay sa akin yun. But it's your preference kung gusto nyo i-smoke out yung lower lash. Ako personally, hindi. Ayan, para lang medyo, para medyo lang may konting definition yung lower lashes. Next is mascara. And for today, I want to use falsies kasi my lashes ay medyo konti lang yan, you guys. Wala akong masyadong lashes, pero gusto ko kasi siya mag-stand out sa look na to. So, falsies and red lips is the game for me today. So, kunin ko lang yung lashes and mascara. Mascara lang ako. And ginagamit ko yung Younique Transplanting Gel, which is yung mascara siya, pero yun yung pangalan niya. On without the false eyelashes, you guys. Wala namang problema doon. It's just I find it more presentable para sa akin pag may mascara. Pag may false eyelashes ako. Lalo na pag events na ganito. Kasi wala, hindi mo talaga mapapansin lashes ko. And para sa akin kasi lashes ang bumubuhay sa mukha, sa mata mismo. See? Sobrang nakakabuhay siya. You can go on na ganito lang, but you know your girl's extra, you guys. Tsaka, para lang mabalance out yung mukha. Kasi minsan, ito lang mapapansin ko kasi sa mga nag-makeup sa labas. Alam niyo yung, syempre, kung pupunta tayo party, 1 or 2 naman may naka-makeup dyan. But, yung super dramatic ng lips, like red lips, hindi siya nakakomplement ng mata. Girl, you need to make those two complement each other para mas maganda yung look. Yeah, you can go on without false eyelashes na. But I'm going to put on false eyelashes. Sa ganitong events, niloload up ko din yung lower lashes ko. Sorry, hindi nyo pala nakikita. Niloload up ko rin yan kasi may falsies tayo. And pag wala siyang falsies, hindi ako naglalagay, to be honest. And mag-false lashes lang ako off-cam. And then, babalik ako sa inyo and let's do the lips. I forgot to mention yung false eyelashes na ginagamit ko. Ang ginagamit ko is from Ashley Color Eyelash. Ay, favorite kong style yung 114. So, ayan nyo guys. Uulitin ko guys, you don't need to use false eyelashes for this look. If you want to go on with just mascara, that's fine. That's totally fine. But if you want to put on false eyelashes, ito yung magiging itsura niya. So, I'm going to put on the classic red lips na. So, I'm going to use a Forme First Date Lip Crayon. This is my red lip talaga. Pag red lips, ito talaga naiisip ko. Okay, let's go. So, what I do is eyeliner. I don't use lip liner for this because wala akong lip liner. But, yeah. Here we go, you guys. It is super red. Medyo cool toned red siya. And actually, this is super affordable. 150 lang to. And then, to top it all off, I'm going to put a lip gloss on top. This is the Careline Stain. Excuse me. The Careline Stain Gloss. And don't worry, yung stain niya, hindi mag-show up. This is a really red lip. But, mas maganda kung glossy siya. Oh my gosh, this makes it look super different from ano yung itsura niya kanina. Tinatanggal ko lang yung lipstick na nasa lalagyan because ayan once ko hindi siya natanggal and nagkulay yung lip gloss sa loob. Totally different yung itsura niya pag may gloss. Again, you don't have to put on gloss, you don't have to put on false eyelashes. The look is perfect without those two. But if you want to pump it up just a little bit more, ito yung itsura niya. So yeah. But hope you guys like this video. Please keep on watching. What? Hope you guys like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a video. I don't want to say I post a video 2 weeks because next year I think I'm going to do something better. But yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.